Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Secret Learning. Today in this video we will learn and write a very simple flowchart about making of mango pickle. So let's start. Mango pickle can be prepared at homes with a little trouble worth taking. For this, the green mangoes are required. They are bought and sorted to remove the rotten ones. These are now cleansed. The mangoes are then cut into pieces. These cut pieces are dried for some time in the sun. Meanwhile, various spices, salt, mustard oil, and chili are mixed up. This mixture is dressed with the sliced pieces of mangoes. It is kept in a big flat pot in the sun for some days. Now it is poured into jars for storage. The preparation of the pickle is thus complete within a couple of days. So, thanks for watching.